Bitcoin Money Value Expectation Outline. Bitcoin Money Cost Figure recommends a chance of BCH exchanging between $501.65 to $605.30 in 2025, which really is genuinely huge. The sort of genuinely current market cost of one Bitcoin money most certainly really is $226.24 in an unpretentious manner. In a bullish situation, Bitcoin money could essentially outperform the $121,367.49 mark for 2050, exhibiting most certainly expected vertical energy, by and large, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Bitcoin money in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $3,830.59 mark in every practical sense, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money, BCH, by and large in every way that really matters, is estimated to explicitly arrive at a typical cost of $59,590.34 toward the finish of 2040 in an unobtrusive manner, in spite of prevalent thinking. Starting around 02 December 2023, Bitcoin money by and large in a real sense is exchanging at $226.24 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.69% in certainly sort of most recent 1 hour in a genuinely significant manner. BCH generally has a very complete market cap of $4,428,512,465, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $114,892,463 in a by and large huge manner in an unpretentious manner. This basically makes Bitcoin money, BCH, lovely positioning at 19 in the digital currency market in a kind of significant manner. In the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Bitcoin money cost forecast finish of 2040, what will Bitcoin money explicitly be somewhat worth in 2040, or so they explicitly by and large thought. Is Bitcoin money a wise venture or sort of beautiful worth purchasing in 2040, or so they in a real sense thought? Will BCH value sort of especially outperform its unequaled high, really in opposition to prevalent thinking? These for the most part generally are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2040, as per the Bitcoin money estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the BCH cost for the most part is supposed to commonly fundamentally cross a sort of certainly normal value level of $243.79, the normal by and large truly least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the in every practical sense. Current year ought to in every way that really matters, in a real sense be $234.86, genuinely sort of additional appearance how these generally are our Bitcoin money cost forecasts for BCH's future in an all things considered, significant way, which is very huge. Besides, BCH can sort of certainly arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $250.48, showing how BCH generally has an especially all-out market cap of $4,428,512,465, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $114,892,463, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin money value expectation November 2023. Bitcoin money cost for the most part is supposed to basically by and large reach between $212.09 to $241.11 in November 2023, while the sort of typical cost of BCH for the November really remains around $234.41. Bitcoin money value conjecture December 2023. The normal cost of Bitcoin money, BCH, could go to $243.79 toward the finish of December 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. BCH could generally be exchanging around a kind of most extreme worth of $250.48, with the really least expected cost of $234.86, showing how examiners project a bullish pattern for Bitcoin money in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $3,830.59 mark in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought. Bitcoin money by and large past value examination in the for the most part beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially has been basically in a real sense diminished by 0.6% in its especially current worth, exhibiting that the in every way that really matters, current market cost of one Bitcoin money in a real sense is $226.24, which fundamentally all things considered is very critical. Assuming we especially truly look at the very current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap especially is likewise down, which basically is very huge. Bitcoin money basically is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, exhibiting how Bitcoin money for the most part genuinely passed value examination in the pretty by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been somewhat diminished by 0.6% in its certainly current worth, showing that the especially current market cost of one Bitcoin money basically is $226.24, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking incredibly. The BCH in a real sense especially is down to nearly 0.23% in the very most recent 7 days, or so they by and large thought. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for extremely past truly couple of days. The coin could generally have in every practical sense solid essentials yet we don't fundamentally especially feel that it would a productive resource in every practical sense, momentary in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money value figure 2040 facts what will in every practical sense generally be Bitcoin money extremely worth in 2040 in an all things considered enormous way, which sort of is very huge. The BCH cost in a real sense is gauged to explicitly arrive at a pretty especially greatest degree of $250.48 with kind of least cost of $234.86 toward the finish of 2040. Which generally shows that assuming we generally look at the quite current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap essentially is likewise down in an exceptionally significant manner. Does Bitcoin money especially have a future in an unobtrusive manner, in spite of mainstream thinking? As far as value, Bitcoin money has a remarkable entirely potential to arrive at new levels in a by and large significant manner explicitly. It generally is gauged that BCH will increment in esteem, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per fundamentally essentially unambiguous specialists and business experts, Bitcoin money can truly stir things up around town. The greatest cost of $8,053.78 till 2030, showing how Bitcoin money passed value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been in every practical sense diminished by 0.6% in its especially commonly current worth, exhibiting that the sort of current market cost of one Bitcoin money for the most part is $226.24, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Bitcoin money really worth purchasing in 2040 in an especially significant manner? Bitcoin Cash-S incentive generally is supposed to in every practical sense keep on growing, as deficiency will in general all things considered sort of empower cost rise, most certainly kind of additional appearance how in a bullish situation, Bitcoin money could by and large fundamentally outperform the $121,367.49 mark for 2050. Exhibiting extremely possible